In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use depth of field and camera Shakeify with the characters animated to run. Make sure Shakeify is turned on in the add-ons menu. If you need to download Shakeify, a link is in the description below. I've set up a very basic background scene with the 3 runners animated. Make Human and Mixamo links are in the description below. Select the camera and under its icon select Depth of Field. I use the eyedropper for Focus Object, which is the runner to mesh. Under the aperture, f-stop, I'll set it to 0.2. Now under Camera Shakeify, press the plus icon to add a shake item. Select from the pull-down menu. I'm selecting Handycam Run. This is too shaky for my liking. So in the influence slider, I'll change it to 0.3. There's always the option to keyframe variable speeds in the influencer if so desired. Here are the results after rendering in cycles. Thanks for watching.